All right, here is experiment number 6. Okay, I'm doing this a little out of order. 5 comes next, but I want to do this one first. This one is on miracle fruit or miracle berry or miracle berries. And up here you'll see, click here for video guide. Well, this is the video guide. I'm making it right now, so the link isn't clickable, but it will be. All right, so what you need is your miracle berry, this little fellow right here. And then you need lemon. You can use lemon juice or an actual slice of a lemon if you want, but this is for anyone who does not have it. You have some salt, and you have some sugar, and then you have 4 warheads. Okay, so I have 2 of each, so pick one. So these are apple and watermelon. So I'm going to pick watermelon, so I'm only going to use the pink ones. I'm going to set the green ones aside. But if you're doing this with someone, you can absolutely give them the other set. Okay, so that's what it says. A quick note, the effects on taste of miracle berries usually last about 15 minutes to up to 2 hours. Most of the time it's gone by an hour, but take this into account when choosing a time to do this. So don't do it like right before dinner or something like that. So just negotiate your timing. All right, so first you choose a warhead flavor, which I just did. You must use 2 of the same. So remember, it's science. We keep consistent. Next, taste a small amount of each item in this order: salt, sugar, warhead candy, lemon. You may drink water only in between tastes. Put the miracle berry in your mouth. Cut the berry in half if you want to share. Let it soften a bit in your mouth. Chew it slowly. As you are chewing, swish it around in your mouth. Keep it in your mouth for at least 2 minutes before swallowing. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Now taste each of the items again in this order, same order as before: salt, sugar, warhead candy, lemon. You may drink water only in between the tastes. And then you're going to answer these 2 questions. What taste changed after the miracle berry? And then you're going to go to that website. You're going to click on that link and read that short article, and then explain to me why miracle berries change how things taste. Okay, so now to get set up, what I've done is I've chosen my my flavor, okay, of warhead. Okay, I've opened up my miracle berry, so that's ready. And then what I've done is I've opened up my salt, put it on this little lid. You don't have to use a little lid, you could use a little plate, but I've gotten them all ready. I've opened up my sugar. Okay, put it in this empty container. Okay, and then I've opened up my lemon because they're just crystals, so you can see I poured it on here. All right, so now I'm ready. Remember, I can drink water, so I have a water bottle ready to go. Okay, so I'm just going to taste them in this order. So what I'm going to do, and I've washed my hands, but I'm just going to use a quick little hand sanitizer. Make sure I am all situated. All right, now I'm going to taste in this order: salt, sugar. So I'm just going to moisten my finger, dip it in the salt. Well, that's salt. Same thing, dip in the sugar. Yep, that's sugar. All right, now the warhead. Not my favorite candy, but we'll go this one. So chose the pink one for this anyway. Go. Mm. Okay. There we go. Now I'm gonna set that aside. Maybe I'll have it later. Quick little drink. I'm gonna do the lemon. Okay. Oh yeah, that's lemon. All right. Quick little drink there. Now I'm gonna get my miracle berry. Now remember, before I put this in my mouth, if I'm doing this with someone, I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay. But it says put it in your mouth and let it kind of soften a little bit in your mouth. Takes a second or two. All right. Let it soften. Start to chew it around. So I'm gonna pause this, but you're gonna chew it, swish it around your mouth as much as possible. Try to wait about 2 minutes before swallowing, and then wait 5 to 10 minutes. When that 5 to 10 minutes is up, I'm gonna come back. Remember, just real quick before you swallow, swish it around real good in your mouth like that. Okay, after I chewed, swished, swallowed, waited, have it in my mouth for about 2 minutes, and I waited that 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna taste each item again. Again, I can have my water. All right, so I'm gonna taste in order, and I'm gonna try my best not to give anything away. So I'm gonna taste the salt. Okay. I'm gonna taste the sugar. Now you could use a spoon. If you don't want to use your finger, I'll just find this is the easiest way to do it. Taste the sugar. Just got a second taste of that one. Then you taste the lemon. Okay, that was a lemon. Oh, I switched the order. It's okay. It's 2 sour things at the end. And then the warhead. Again, remember, you're using the same flavor that you did before. So you have 4 in your pack. Choose 2, so use the same flavor so that you know that it was because of the miracle berry and not because you switched flavors. And I have the warhead. And waiting until that taste changes. I take a drink. All right, that's it. If you have other sweet, sour, salty things at home, absolutely go ahead. Taste something else. Take a little sip of lemon juice. Try a potato chip. Try fruit snacks or candy, something like that. You can try a variety of things just to see if it does have an effect, but I gave you enough that you'd be able to see the effect with the materials I gave you. And then you're going to answer those 2 questions. What taste changed? And then go to the article and explain to me what happened. Okay. And there you have it. That is experiment number 6 on the miracle berry.